Struggling with clumpy soups or chunky smoothies? You're not alone. Today, I'm unveiling the top 6 immersion hand blenders that make blending effortless and fun. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know exactly which one suits you, and you can grab them easily through the links in the description. On number 6 is BinROC Immersion Blender. Ever struggled with a blender that dies mid-smoothie or leaves chunks in your soup? The BinROC Immersion Blender might just change your kitchen game. Tested for real-world comfort, this cordless powerhouse with USB charging lets you move freely, no more tangled cords or frantic searches for an outlet. Compared to other top 6 immersion hand blenders, its 8-speed full copper motor crushes ice, frozen fruit, and nuts effortlessly, giving you control from silky baby food to chunky salsa. What really sets it apart? The 4-in-1 attachments: chopper, whisk, beaker, and stainless steel shaft cover almost every kitchen task, meaning fewer gadgets crowding your counters. Cleanup is a breeze with one-click detachable parts, dishwasher safe. We only recommend what's truly worth it. BinROC delivers safety, versatility, and peace of mind. If you want a smart, reliable choice, this blender is a winner. Curious how it stacks against the others? Keep watching. At number 5 is Ninja Hand Stick Blender. Ever tried blending a thick soup or frozen smoothie only to end up with chunks everywhere? The Ninja Hand Stick Blender solves that frustration with style. Tested for real-world comfort, its 9-inch stainless steel immersion arm with built-in pan guard lets you blend safely right in deep pots, no more transferring hot soups. What's impressive is the rapid whisk. This high-speed whisk effortlessly whips cream, meringues, and pancake batter, giving you one tool for multiple kitchen tasks. Compared to other top 6 immersion hand blenders, its smart torque technology keeps speed consistent even with thick or frozen ingredients, so you get smooth results every time. Cleanup is stress-free with dishwasher-safe, BPA-free parts, and the 4-cup blending pitcher handles smoothies with ease. We only recommend what's genuinely worth it. If you want versatility, power, and peace of mind, Ninja is a smart choice. Curious how it stacks up against the BinROC? Keep watching. At number 4 is OVENTE Handheld Stick Mixer. Ever felt frustrated when your morning smoothie ends up chunky or your sauce lingers unmixed? The OVENTE Handheld Stick Mixer solves that problem effortlessly. Tested for real-world comfort, its 300-watt motor powers through soups, purees, and protein shakes, giving you smooth results in seconds. Unlike some other top 6 immersion hand blenders, OVENTE keeps things simple yet precise with 2 adjustable speeds and a pulse sensor, so you control texture perfectly. Soft blends or frozen fruits, it handles both. The slim, ergonomic stainless steel shaft fits almost any bowl or pot, while cleanup is painless thanks to detachable, dishwasher-safe parts. Its US-based support adds peace of mind, making it a smart, reliable choice. We only recommend what's truly worth it. If you want a compact, versatile, and worry-free kitchen helper, OVENTE is a solid pick. Curious how it compares to Ninja or BinROC? Keep watching. On number 3 is Turelar Electric Blender. Ever wondered why some blenders leave stubborn chunks in your soups or smoothies? The Turelar Electric Blender tackles that head-on. Tested for real-world comfort, its high-torque copper motor powers through tough ingredients, delivering silky, consistent results every time. Compared to other top 6 immersion hand blenders, Turelar stands out with its adjustable pulse and turbo mode, giving precise control for everything from baby food to frozen fruits. Its slim, ergonomic stainless steel shaft fits almost any bowl or pot, reducing hand strain while blending, perfect for daily meals or busy mornings. Cleanup and storage are hassle-free thanks to detachable parts and a convenient hanging ring. Made with food-grade stainless steel and BPA-free materials, it gives peace of mind while keeping your kitchen safe. We only recommend what's genuinely worth it. If you want power, precision, and reliability in one smart tool, Turelar is a strong contender. Curious how it compares to Ninja and BinROC? Keep watching. At number 2 is Braun Blender with Turbo Boost. Ever battled with splashes while blending hot soups or thick sauces? The Braun Blender with Turbo Boost turns that struggle into a smooth, mess-free experience. Tested for real-world comfort, its world-first power bell technology uses ultra-hard stainless steel blades and a bell-shaped shaft to reduce suction, pulling ingredients inward for finer, smoother results. Compared to other top 6 immersion hand blenders, Braun shines with its splash control, goodbye messy countertops, and the easy click accessories system lets you switch from blending to chopping or whisking in seconds. It handles everything from silky soups to thick nut butters with confidence. Cleanup is simple, and the ergonomic design makes long blending sessions comfortable. We only recommend what's truly worth it. If you value precision, versatility, and peace of mind in your kitchen, Braun is a smart, reliable choice. Curious how it stacks up against Ninja and Turelar? Stay tuned. Now moving to the last one is KOIOS hand blender. Ever tried blending thick soups or frozen fruits only to feel your blender struggling? The KOIOS hand blender changes the game. Tested for real-world comfort, its massive 1000-watt all-copper motor and 4-tip stainless steel blades crush even the toughest ingredients effortlessly, no more uneven textures or chunky results. Compared to other top 6 immersion hand blenders, KOIOS stands out with 12 adjustable speeds and a turbo mode, giving you precision whether you're making baby food, milkshakes, or jams. The anti-splash guard protects your clothes and cookware, making every blend mess-free and safe. Cleanup is simple, detachable, dishwasher safe, and non-BPA parts give peace of mind. We only recommend what's genuinely worth it. If you want power, control, and reliability in one tool, KOIOS is a smart choice. Curious how it stacks up against Braun or Turelar? Keep watching. After testing all 6 top immersion hand blenders, our pick for the winner is the BinROC immersion blender. Why? Because it perfectly balances power, versatility, and real-world usability. Its cordless design solves the cord chaos problem, the 8-speed motor handles everything from silky baby food to tough frozen blends, and the 4-in-1 attachments replace multiple kitchen tools. Cleanup is a breeze, and safety features give peace of mind. If you want one smart blender that truly elevates everyday cooking, BinROC delivers exceptional value, making it a choice you'll feel confident and happy about. So guys, this was the video about the top 6 best immersion hand blender. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.